Boxed baking mix is the perfect dessert shortcut. But why stop there? In this video, we're showing you 3 ways to hack a baking mix and upgrade it to something both unexpected and delicious. We're starting with the perfect bite-sized treat, banana bread cake pops. Start with 3 eggs, add half a cup of water, and 2 tablespoons melted, cooled coconut oil. Whisk to combine. Add 1 box of Simple Mills banana muffin and bread mix and stir until incorporated. Line an 8x8 inch pan with parchment paper and pour your batter into the pan. Bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes and let cool. Once the cake has cooled, crumble it into tiny pieces. Pro tip: crumble the cake in the same pan you baked it in. Why clean another bowl? Next, mix a 1/4 cup of Simple Mills organic vanilla frosting into the crumbled cake. Another tip: start with a spatula so it stays in the bowl, not on your hands. Taking about 1 tablespoon at a time, gently form a ball in your hands and place on a sheet tray. Once you finish the batch, refrigerate the pops to firm up. For the frosting coating, add the remaining frosting and 2 tablespoons coconut oil to a microwave-safe bowl. Heat in 20-second increments until it's pourable. Using a fork, dip each cake pop into the mixture and top with crumbled vanilla wafers. Refrigerate at least half an hour to harden. Next up, we transform regular boxed brownie mix into red velvet brownies. Start with 3 tablespoons water, add half a cup of melted coconut oil, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons beetroot powder and whisk to combine. Add 1 box of Simple Mills brownie mix and stir until incorporated. Add the batter to a parchment-lined 8x8 pan. Add 1 container of Simple Mills organic vanilla frosting to a microwave-safe bowl and heat at 20-second increments until smooth and silky. Top the batter with about half a cup of the frosting, 1 spoonful at a time, and swirl into the batter with the back of a knife. Bake at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. Cool and enjoy! Last step, vanilla bourbon cupcakes, the perfect boozy dessert. Start with 3 eggs, add a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of bourbon, 1/3 cup of grapeseed oil, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and whisk to combine. Add 1 box of Simple Mills vanilla cake almond flour mix and half a cup chopped pecans and whisk again. Pour the batter into a lined muffin tin and bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, until a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool completely and frost with Simple Mills organic vanilla frosting. Top them off with candied pecans. Bottoms up!